All right, guys, I'm Steven with Live Oak Roofing. We're here at 434 Syrup Mill Road doing a repair on the wind damaged shingles. As you can see, right here is one of the ones that were documented by you guys at Allstate. So what we're gonna be is we're gonna be removing a shingle and we're going to be replacing it. So as you can see, this is the shingle that was damaged. We're going to be unsealing these shingles and removing this shingle and replacing it. So let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, the end starts here. I'm gonna just get this one unsealed. Okay, and that one ends right there. All right, so let's get these. Well, that one's already unsealed. All right, we'll get started. Let's get over here. And we're just gonna lift it up just a couple degrees to get these nails undone. There we go, we can see those right there. And right there, okay. There's another one. Alright. Okay. And there we go. Alright. We got the shingle removed. And as you can already tell, just from these shingles, they're old and they're being really weird. Just with a light swipe. Look at that. The granules are just falling off. We do need to, we can't repair these shingles based on the age and the condition of them. I'm gonna put in a tarp and we'll get the videos and the photos sent to you guys immediately. Thank you.